Hey everyone, Gabriel with Gabriel's Hobby Studio here. Today I just got the Space Marine Heroes Series 3, which are the Plague Marines, and we're gonna open this up and see if we can get all 6 of them. I'm just checking the box to see if there's any pictures of all of them. So we've got some pictures here, but I'm pretty sure it'll look better on the box. So let's open it. Let me just throw those away. Okay, so with the box, we get this little cheat sheet thingy, I guess. I have no idea what that's for. But then we've got 6 of these individual boxes. Each one supposedly has a unique mini inside of them. And given that these are blind boxes, I don't think the backs reflect. No, they don't. Yeah, it's the same box. There's no difference in printing. Well, let's go ahead and open this up and see what we got. And it would be easier to open this if I cut the tape first. Okay. So we have 1 sprue and a booklet. I thought there were supposed to be cards that came with this. Huh. So you get an instruction manual for all of the models. Yep. Pretty standard GW stuff. And actually, I'm going to leave this out so we can reference this and figure out who we have. Close my knife a little bit more. Okay. So this is the one with the Nurgling and the skull. And it's hanging on the horn. Oh, and there are 2 head options in here. So there's that one, which is more decayed, and this one still has a helmet. These bases have some really good detail on them too. Yep, and there's a pin that the foot will go in. That's pretty nice. So we have Grug the Fowl here. And if you guys like this content, go ahead and leave a like and subscribe, and that way you can know when I have new videos up. If you hit the bell icon, you'll actually be notified when I put new videos out. Oh, and this is the champion guy, isn't it? Yup. Nice backpack with pipes. There's more of the backpack. With a little Nurgling guy on there. 2 head options as well. And a decent looking cape. Okay. So this would be Plague Champion Gangrus. The other ones came with cards. I'm surprised I'm not getting any in this one. Who is this? Plague Grenade and Pin in Hand. Ah, this is Colorus. A little nurgling guy surrounded by grenades. I really do like these. So this is Colorus. So I am starting to think that you actually do get all 6 of them if you buy a sealed box. I had, so funny thing actually, I had no clue that this had come out yet. I was just at the game store and was like, I'll just check and see if they've got the Series 2 in stock yet. And nope. Series 3. Little worm guy. Tentacles. 2 heads. Looks like he's got a maggot crawling out of him here. Nice step. Okay, so this staff. There's a nurgling holding onto the back, but he stuck his face through the hole where the symbol is. Oh, and there's little mouths on the base. Little worms. This is Clodicus. More nurglings. It might actually be interesting to take some Oyumaru and make some general castings of these guys to just stick on the other bases as well. And the nurgling here is holding on to the end of the chain. Oh, and there's the other end of the chain. So the nurgling's hanging on where that one broke off. And 2 head options. I actually like that one. Are they all different? Yeah. Oh, nice. They've all got unique head options. That's probably the closest one to this one. And this one would be Scabbeth. He seems more generic than the rest, though. So I'm a really big fan of the Death Guard. I started playing several editions ago when the Death Guard were part of the Chaos Space Marines and they didn't have their own codex. Oh, where was I going with that? Yeah, and this one is more slug. Again, unique head options. I really like that backpack. Where's the top? Oh, okay. Oh, and these are little mushrooms growing out of the... And a little nurgling with mushrooms too. Mushrooms growing out of his head. Out of that head too. The shoulder. It's got some mushrooms on it. His feet are actually in the base. Oh, those are his heels. Because the toe part of the foot's there. Well, I got all 6 of them, so I do really think that you can get the full set if you buy the box. It's not really that random if you can just buy the box. Okay, well, they look like they're all easy build push fits. So, yeah. And it doesn't say easy build on here anywhere. Yeah, the easy builds are meant to use this pin and slot, and that way they just stick together. They don't need glue, and it's called push fit. I want to thank you all for subscribing. We just hit 50 subscribers. Thank you so much for your support. If you enjoyed this video and you would like to see more, please like, subscribe, and ring the bell icon so you can be notified when I post new content. As always, have fun, be creative, and happy hobbying.